very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk about augmented chord. Augmented chord. You see, people have heard augmented chord so many times, but sometimes they wonder how they play it. But if you said augmented, what is augmented? Augmented is you are expanding something. If you expand something, it's augmented. If you expand it, augmented means you have to expand something. So in this formula, how is augmented chord played? Augmented chord in our musical word or our musical form. Augmented is we are using key F. Key F. Augmented. So the augmented chord starts from Do, Mi, So. Do, Mi, So. So the Do, Mi, So we play Do, Mi, Z. You see, from the So to Z is augmented. Z. This is augmented chord. So ti re, so ti mo. Augmented chord. You see, it can be played like this. You see, augmented, it can be played like this. Augmented chord. You see, Ti mo so, augmented. So how are we going to use it? Let's play some song and see where we can put the augmented chord. So I am saying thank you, Lord. Thank you, my Lord. I am saying thank you, Lord. Augmented. Thank you, my Lord. I am saying thank you, Lord. Thank you, my Lord. I am saying thank you, augmented. I am saying thank you, Lord. Thank you, my Lord. So I'm going to augment it. I am saying the 5. Oh, thank you, my Lord. You see, so the augmented is very easy. It's very easy to use. It's very easy to use. Just follow it carefully. It's very easy to use. So the so ti re, I play so ti mo, or ti mo so. So when you say play augmented, it's a very simple chord. Augmented is a very simple chord. It's a very simple chord, but you have to be very careful how you go about it. You have to be very careful, okay, how you go about it. So let's take the song for the last time. I am saying thank you, Lord. Thank you, my Lord. I am saying thank you, Lord. Thank you, I am saying thank you, my Lord. I am saying thank you, Lord. Augmented. Thank you, You see, so it's very easy for you to use the augmented chord. Okay. It's very easy. Let's pick something at F sharp. It's the same. If you go to F sharp, it's the same. Do, mi, so, you play Do, mi, so, ti. Or like this. You see, Do, mi, so, si. Or so, ti, re, mo. You see, so, do. I am saying augmented. You see, I am singing, I am singing. So I was using the same formula with the augmented chord. If we come to G, key G, do mi so Z. You see Z, do mi so Z. You see so mo. So you play like this. So I am saying thank you, sir. Thank you, my Lord. I am saying thank you, so that's so. Thank you, my Lord. I am saying, thank you, my Lord. I am saying thank you. I say I'm saying thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. I am saying thank you. Thank you, my So it's very easy. You can use it in most of all the keys. So the augmented chord shouldn't be your problem, like musical ears or musical knowledge or something. Is you knowing that is do mi so Z or do mi so is this. So if you know all this fa la do, so fa la di. Faladi, then you get the augmented chord. So don't say I don't have the musical ear, so how am I going to play augmented chord? It's not difficult. If you are going to your soul, just add your this to your more. For the augmented chord. So thank you very much for watching it. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.